Hello students, I hope you all well at your home in this pandemic situation of COVID-19. So still we have to continue our studies and we have to give the examination for the further communication. So we are conducting half-yearly examination, especially class 9 to 12th written examination we are conducting. So what are the instructions, what are the formats that you have to follow at your home before giving the written examination? So first of you have to take a A4 sheet available in the market, or you can take a pin page from your copy. So that page should be lined from both sides. So what should be the first format should be written for the half yearly examination answer sheet. So let us discuss all the things on the board. That should be your first page format. On the first page you will write this type of instruction. First you will write the name of the school in capital letter, that is SG International School. Then after it you will write half yearly examination and the session is 2020 and 21. After it you have to write the name, it means your name, or we can say student name in capital letter, and father's name also in capital letter. After it you have to write the class, especially in the case of class 9th and 10th they will write 9th and 10th. For class 11th and 12th they will also write the stream. Suppose I am in the class 11th and I am of the stream of science maths, so in that case they will write class 11th and science maths. So the teacher will able to easily understand it. And in the section you will write in which section you are. So suppose you are in class 11th, so in 11th section you will write the stream. I am in the biology and you are giving the paper of chemistry. So class 10th section biology, and in subject you will write it is the paper of chemistry, physics and biology, English, whatever you have selected the respective subjects. So these are the basic things related to the class and the sections. Now the date, the respective date you have to write on your page. So what you have to do, you have to make minimum 10 to 15 sheets be prepared with you before starting the paper. So that will the first format, and after it you will write the answer sheet. So according to the question you will get the paper on your WhatsApp. In WhatsApp you have to open the WhatsApp, then do the paper in the respective timings. So paper will be of theory part, it will be approximately of 9 AM to 12 noon. So within this part you have to complete all the theory part in your written answer sheets. On every page you have to write the page number. Suppose that is the front page, all the details are there and page number 1 is there. When you turn it back you have to write at the bottom page number 2. You require more page, you will take the next further page, then page number 3, then page number 4. On every page you will write the page number. So at the time of scanning you will get easily able to identify which page I have to scan and send to the respective teacher. So 9 AM to 12 noon, that is the timing of the examination, and 12 noon to 12:15 PM. In within last 15 minutes you have to submit your paper to the respective teacher on their WhatsApp number. Okay, so if anybody who don't have the WhatsApp number, they can collect the number within these coming days before the starting of the examination. So you will able to share the respective content in the PDF format. So one of the important thing from where you can make the PDF, many of you are still aware of it, still you can use Adobe Scanner. So it is have very good feature. You can capture the picture and make a PDF of all the pictures captured. So please be ensure arrange the paper by the name of paper number, so you will able to identify which question answer is back to back on the respective page. So I just revise all the things. You have to make the A4 sheets. All the A4 sheets after the completion of the paper you have to submit the scan within the provided limit of the time to the respective teacher. After this time we will not consider your paper. Second thing, after the completion of the all examination, all half yearly examination, Suppose you have 5 papers and on 5 different dates you have completed all the 5 examination. So we will give the communication, your class teacher will give the communication on which date you have to submit your all the respective copies in the school. So all the respective copies which you submitted in the school will be checked, and we will also check your PDF whether the PDF and the document that has been submitted are matching. Then only we are checking your copies. So I think you are aware about of this topic. Hope so you have studied very well and try to get good marks in the examination. So SG team gives all the best to you. Thank you all of you.